चला था वो बाबा जी साथ में रहो ना फोटो लो
बच्ची बंदनी में काम कर रही है बंदनी
ऑल द बेस्ट
और ये अक्षता ये भी बंदनी में काम कर रही है
ऑल द बेस्ट हमारी ग्रैंड डॉटर है अच्छा आपकी
कहाँ रहने का आपका रहने का आपका आइए सर चलिए बैठिए
Good evening, everyone. I extend.
Well, good evening, everybody. Parents, kindly take your place. Parents, please kindly take your place and sit down. Now, I would like to invite our Mayor, Shri Narendra Mehta ji and Shri Pankaj Mishra ji on the stage. Please come on the stage. Our founder Shri Ramdev Pandey ji along with Shambhanath Shukla ji. Please come on the stage. Chairman of Vedanta International High School and Junior College of Science and Commerce, Pramod Tiwari, to come on the stage with Nana ji, Akshita and Kimberly. I also welcome Akshita's parents. Please come on the stage. Please come on the stage.
Fallen in love with techno. Nobody looks at the techno, now let's go. 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 Nobody looks at the techno.
Now I would like to call upon Seema Srivastava.
Narendra Mehta ji with bouquet, shawl and shriphal. I call upon Mr. Sandeep Gupta come on the stage and do the honor one of our guests. I call upon Miss Bhavna to do the honor of Mr. Ramdev Pandey ji. Upon Mrs. Meena, come on the stage and do the honor of Mr. Pankaj Mishra, founder of our trust. I call upon Mrs. Kamana, come on the stage and do the honor of Mr. Shambhu Shukla. Anjali, come on the stage and do the honor of Miss Kimberly. I call upon Miss Tripti, come on the stage and do the honor of Miss Akshita. Miss Megha, come on the stage and do the honor of Mr. Pramod Tiwari, our chairman of the trust. Miss Bhavna, come on the stage and do the honor of parents of Akshita. Kamna, come on the stage and do the honor of Mr. Devi Prasad Upadhyay. Now Miss Megha, do the honor of Mr. Sarfare.
I would like to call upon on the stage Sri Harishankar Dubey ji, please. Thank you.
Now I request our principal Sri Vinod Tiwari
Thank you, Seema. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Well, good evening everyone and welcome you all on the occasion of Akarshad 2010. Akarshad 2010, which is organized by Vedanta International High School and Junior College of Science and Commerce with the proper support and cooperation of the management, staff, students, as well as fellow parents. To my guests, to those who are sitting on the dais, I just would like to say a few things about Vedant. And Vedantans, definitely. Sir, we have got permission of Vedanta International High School and Junior College of Science and Commerce in 2004. And since then we have started working with something around 300 students during the first academic year. Our students have done quite well academically as well as in co-curricular activities. I would like to bring it in the notice of our Mayor, Shri Narendra Mehta ji, that Scorpions in SM Public School in Bandha, they have organized extracurricular programs. And he was the only person who handed over all the first prizes to our students. We have photographs even of that. So this is not only about co-curricular activities or the cultural activities, but even academically, Vedanta International High School is the one which has achieved 100% result in its first academic year of SSC. And we are celebrating our hat-trick of SSC results. This is a matter of great concern that we have given admission to the students from class 1 to class 8 and 9th in the first academic year. You know, like students, they have come basically from different backgrounds. So it is very difficult to prepare them for board examination and to get 100% result. But we have achieved it not once or twice, consecutively for 3 academic years. So it's a great achievement for us. Not only this, but even we have achieved a few national awards also. Like our students, they have been awarded by Ministry of HRD, Human Resources Development, and they are giving free education up to standard 12th in CBSE. And all the students, around 6 students, they are going to Hamla. That is, this is Kendriya Vidyalaya in Malad West. This is another, you can say that the big achievement for us. Apart from this, so like in a very short span of time, last year we have been given permission for Junior College of Science and Commerce. It takes at least 2 years. Initially we have granted permission only for commerce, but last year there was lot of problem for admission in science. So Department of Education, they have called me and they have granted permission even for science division also. Looking after our performance in SSC examination, and this is one of the you can say the matter of pride for us, that we have not been granted permission only for commerce general and science general, but at the same time we have also been granted permission for information technology. So for any college which is in its initial stage, it is very difficult to get admission as well as permission as well as admission in so many fields. Now we are trying even for computer science as well as electronics. So we'll see to it, and even students are doing well. We hope from our students, even during this academic year also, this is a bit difficult year for us, because this year we are going to face 3 board examinations, one for 10th standard, then 12th science as well as 12th commerce. But I hope my students, they have done quite well, and again I'm expecting the same result even during this academic year. This is what about our students, and the teachers, they are basically working very hard for that particular, basically in order to improve the academic excellence of the students. Not only teachers as well as the students, but you know, like to prepare a student, it is a matter like a triangle. We need a base. We need a base, and basically the job of the base basically is being done by the parents. Parents are quite cooperative with us. Whenever we are calling them, they are coming and they are giving their quite long support to us, and basically they help us in order to shape the career of the children. And that is what the result, why we are getting 100% result. This is, and so far as my cultural excellence is concerned, what to say, like I have invited you and you will see few programs and you will judge them that how they are doing. And we have basically organized few programs, even basically, and you can say very importantly for you, to my mayor. So kindly give a big hand to the mayor, the one who had come. And again, I welcome Nana ji currently, and in the past, Mahatma Gandhi, Sri Suren Singh ji. Plus, at the same time, two child artists, those who are appearing on the television screen nowadays. Then our founder, Sri Ramdev Pandey ji, then co-founder, Sri Pankaj Mishra ji, Shambhunath Shukla ji, who had come from all the way from Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh, Devi Prasad Upadhyay ji, Sarfare ji, Dubey ji, as well as I also welcome the parents of Akshita, those who have come all the way from Versova, just in order to see the program of a student, that how they are doing. And now, sir, I would like to call upon our mayor to say a few words to my performing children. Sir, to you first. Please give a big hand to the mayor, Shri Narendra Mehta ji.
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आज के इस 6th एनुअल डे सेलिब्रेशन के उपलक्ष्य में उपस्थित मंच पर सभी मान्यवर, माय फ्रेंड, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द स्कूल मिस्टर विनोद जी, I am very much glad to be present here. वेदांत स्कूल, हम सब ने नाम सुना है. दिस इज द वन स्कूल जहाँ पेरेंट्स बोल सकते हैं वी फील प्राउड टू बी ए पेरेंट्स ऑफ द वेदांत स्कूल, एज वेल एज what the Vinod ji has told me right now about his hat trick. He is also proud because every academy really they want to be proud when their children grow up. तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है जो बच्चों ने जो परफॉर्मेंस की है एंड जो 3 बार हैट्रिक की है, तो विनोद जी इज वेरी प्राउड ऑफ द स्टूडेंट ऑल्सो. And definite, without the support of the principal, teachers, non-teaching staff, it is not possible. Mira Bhayandar is the fastest growing city in India, not in Mumbai, not in Maharashtra. In India, it is the fastest growing city. We are having more than 200 schools in Mira Bhayandar. Vedant International School is one of the best school. और जब मुझे इनविटेशन मिला यहाँ आने का एनुअल फंक्शन में, तो मुझे बच्चों से बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यार है. इसलिए जब भी मुझे मौका मिलता है किसी बच्चों के प्रोग्राम में जाने का, तो मैं अवश्य वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होता हूँ. और मुझे ये भी पता है, मैं विनोद जी से कहा, चाइल्ड गेटिंग वेरी मच बोर एंड पेरेंट्स आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग बोर, बिकॉज एवरी पेरेंट्स इज क्यूरियस टू सी कि व्हेन दैट चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू परफॉर्म. हर पेरेंट्स, मैं लास्ट आई ऑल्सो हैव द वन इंस्टीट्यूशन 7 Square Academy. माई स्कूल एनुअल फंक्शन वॉज देयर ऑन द हिंदी बोलूँ मेरा भी स्कूल है. पिछले 24 तारीख को एनुअल फंक्शन था. पूरे फंक्शन में मैं अपने बच्चे का चेहरा ढूंढ रहा था कि कैसा परफॉर्म करता है. हर पेरेंट्स, विनोद जी, जब साल के एनुअल फंक्शन में उपस्थित होता है तो एवरीबडी इज़ वेरी मच क्यूरियस कि मेरा बच्चा कैसे परफॉर्म करता है. तो मैं जानता हूं कि नोबडी वांट टू लिसन द स्पीच, बट रियली आई अप्रिशिएट what the hard working इन द लास्ट 6 ईयर विनोद जी ने जो किया, मैं तो हर एक स्कूल में जाता हूँ, करीबन नहीं तो साल में 20 से 25 स्कूल में जाने का मौका मिलता है, अलग अलग करीबन 10 स्कूल में एनुअल फंक्शन। लेकिन जो वेदांत स्कूल के बारे में सुना, वाकई में गर्व महसूस होता है कि मीरा भाईंदर में भी ऐसी स्कूलें हैं। तो मैं अपनी तरफ से विनोद जी, प्रिंसिपल, चेयरमैन, सभी टीचर्स को, सभी स्टाफ को, सभी नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ को, सबको मैं अपनी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। और जो बच्चे यहाँ पे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं उनको विशेष तौर पे मैं विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। अभी यहाँ पे 2 कलाकार नन्हे मुन्ने जो टीवी पे आर्टिस्ट है, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इस स्कूल से भी आगे जाके 2 या 3 स्टार उपलब्ध होंगे और मेरे स्कूल के अंदर वो चीफ गेस्ट होंगे, ऐसी प्रार्थना करता हूं। तो एक बार फिर मैं आप सबको धन्यवाद देता हूं। विनोद जी, अच्छा काम आप कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि एजुकेशन फील्ड, स्कूल चलाना कोई कमर्शियल पार्ट नहीं है, उसके अंदर सेवा भाव भी होता है। तो अपनी तरफ से वेदांत इंटरनेशनल को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। सभी बच्चों को मैं अपनी तरफ से शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। जो एसएससी के बच्चे हैं उनको आने वाले